Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 10th of August to 16th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you for the coming week. Alright, and for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's start now, and this is a general reading. As you all know, it might or might not resonate with all of you, and if at any chance your sun sign doesn't resonate sometimes, so because everyone has a tendency to watch their sun signs, so you can see your moon signs as well, moon, rising and your Venus signs. Okay, so you can check out my videos for other signs as well. Alright, so let's start for my Capricorns. What do my Capricorns have? Let's see, please. Last shuffle. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. Let's see. At the back of the deck is the Five of Cups, grief, sadness, a lot of pain, regrets. Might be you, might be them in this situation, because it can be on either sides of a situation. Alright, so your past energies are the Eight of Cups, the Lovers and the Eight of Pentacles. So I'm seeing that there was a situation where somebody left someone, and after giving a lot of time towards this thing, after giving a lot of effort, whatever this thing was, it was a love relationship, it was love, but somebody had to go, had to leave this situation, because whatever time, how much effort you give on this situation, sometimes it doesn't matter. Your present energies are Ten of Swords, Knight of Swords and Queen of Swords. So a lot of swords energy in your present. So I'm not seeing that. So there was a lot of emotions in past, but right now it's more of swords. So that is something which is ready to end all these things, and really ready to end these things fast. Not able to hear any shit, not here. You have become very cold-hearted as well. So you are not in that position where you will entertain the people who will just say, oh, I was sorry, just talking and doing nothing. So you are not entertaining these kind of people. Your future energies are the Fool, Death and Pentacles. So with the Death, I'm seeing that there is an ending to start something new with the Fool, and you're working on this thing, really fixing on yourself. I'm thinking that I'm really feeling that this Three of Pentacles, it's not a relationship you are fixing yourself. Alright, so let's see what is your overall energy with the Five of Cups. Why the Five of Cups is here? Please let us know what is this Five of Cups over here. King of Wands, King of Swords and Knight of Cups. All right, so it's not just one person in your life. I don't feel like that. This involves many people, with the King of Swords and King of Rods. You're practical, you are passionate, everything is there. Love is also here, but sometimes there is some kind of sadness as well in a situation. Whatever this thing is, let's see one more. What is this King of Swords and Knight of Cups? Why are they here? Ten of Cups. See, somebody took a decision in regards with a family matter or a love life, because the love was there, or it was actually just showing that the love is here. Because with the Knight of Cups, they are very good, they are very good talkers. They know how to talk, but how to keep a relationship, they do not know that. Alright, so let's see, why is the Eight of Cups over in your past energies? Why the Eight of Cups is here? The Empress and Four of Pentacles. Alright, so might be a mother involved in this situation, but I'm seeing that, yeah, somebody was holding on to something, something like um, that situation where I will not let go of this thing, you do what you want to do, that kind of a condition somebody puts there. So that is the thing, either you, either them, or them. So somebody put a condition for something, and finally someone has to take a decision, like I cannot be in this situation, in this scenario for my life. Let's see why the lovers is here. Why is the lover here? King of Cups and Seven of Wands. So there was love, but I don't see it on both the ends. It is more about, someone loves themselves most, basically. So that is that energy. Like one person loves someone and the other person loves themselves only. So that is why this person is fighting with the person who actually loved them. So there is a situation where the other person, they both are just fighting. One is fighting for the relationship and one is fighting for themselves. That kind of a situation. Let's see why the Eight of Pentacles over here. I see that somebody gave a lot of chances, a lot of work, a lot of dedication, a lot of energies in a relationship. The Moon and the Two of Cups. See, so whatever this thing was, whosoever gave this much of energy in a relationship, it was all hidden. It was, it was not you or them. No one was able to see that thing. It was just like someone is putting a lot of effort into a relationship, into something, some situation, but when it comes to fruition, you don't even get the end results. Someone else gets the results. Okay, let's see why the Ten of Swords is here. Why the Ten of Swords is here? Ten of Swords in present, Three of Swords and the Justice. All right, so there is something might be related to some court issues for some of you, but it's more of like a decision has been made over here, and whosoever decided this, that this person is, I really feel that this is you, that you are done with this person or this situation. You are not going to entertain anyone now, because you have seen it, been there, seen that, that kind of energy. Let's see why is this Knight of Swords here. It really happened fast, I'm feeling over here. These energies, they are just jumping, because the past energies are very different, and because there was a lot of love, but now present energies are like, no, I'm done with you. Ace of Pentacles, the Fool. See how this person, I really feel that it's you, that you really want to end something, or might be them as well, but somebody just ended everything, like it's no more you, it will be me as well now. So if you really love yourself, I also love myself. So that is why with the Fool and Ace of Pentacles, either you or them, someone is going towards some kind of stability, some kind of new life, basically. New enthusiasm is there. I'm seeing that a lot of carelessness type feeling, where you are carefree and you don't care about anyone. You really want to live the life you also wanted, because if someone else can fight for their freedom, so why not you? Let's see this Queen of Swords in your present energies. Who is this Queen of Swords? Why is this Queen of Swords here? Six of Swords and Four of Swords. A lot of swords energies, but it's like that, you are taking some time to heal, and you really want to go towards calmer waters. That is why you are not ready to entertain any person in your life right now. I'm seeing that you are more into a different zone of your life, perfectly different. Let's see the Fool in your future energy. See, the Fool is in your present as well as in your future energy. So that means this energy is going to continue for a long time, and you are going to experience the new life. This is not about a love situation, you know. This is something where you have to start again, you know. The world has given you one more chance, so just experience the life you want. Let's see this Death over here in your future energies. What is this Death? Why the Death is here? Ace of Wands and Queen of Swords again. So with the Death, it's like, you know, you are ready to start the new. With the Fool and Ace of Wands, it's a very new beginning into some new business as well. Something new which relates to your hobby, to your passion, towards where you want to dedicate all your energy towards, you know. You are straight. You are like, I have a fixed mind and nothing can bother me now. I am all set into my work now. I am all set into myself. So I cannot be bothered now. No one can just come and tell me no. I am fixing myself. Let's see, what is the Three of Pentacles? What else do we need to know about Three of Pentacles? Death with the Lovers. See, you are ready to end all those. You are ready for that transformation in your life. You know, you are ready to accept the changes. Whatever is happening for a reason. You are ready to accept it. That is the acceptation card. You are ready for the transformation. You are loving this transformation, whatever is happening, because new things are coming up and you have new ideas, you have new goals in your life. This newness is really something which is giving you a lot of positivity. All right, so let's see what your guidance angels are telling us. So do Capricorns need some advice? Universe, please give them some advice regarding the situation. Let's see. Let's see. What advice do you think? Advice for my Capricorns, please. Page of Wands. See, the universe wants you to become the child again. You have some, you know, past hobbies. You had some creativity in you. Just be the child again and enjoy your life. See, Ace of Rods. See the child over here. See, this is what the universe also wants. I'm not saying anything. This is the universe which is telling you. Knight of Wands. So what is happening, huh? Page of Wands, the Knight of Wands, and Ace of Wands. So all the Wands energy, you know, this is all the fiery energy. Actually, this is something related to fire sign, but you being a earth sign, you have the energies of a fire sign. So that means you are ready to explore the new things in your life, and that's what the advice from the universe as well. Alright, so that's all Capricorns. That's all from my side, and I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.